Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable tab groups in Mozilla Firefox. If you got too many tabs open in Firefox, this is how you can enable tab grouping in Firefox step by step. So unlike Chrome, Firefox doesn't have built-in tab groups yet, but don't worry, we'll use a powerful extension to get the same feature. So first you can just go to the Firefox add-on store and just search for simple tab groups. So in here, I'm going to just go to this extension options and then search for the simple tab group. Okay, you can see there are lots of options. Let's just use this one, and you can just tap on this option, add to Firefox, then click on add again to confirm the installation. Now just tap on OK and wait until the extension is added to the Firefox. So once the extension is installed, you can just click on the new tab group icon in your toolbar. Then just click on create a new group, name it, and then just like that, now the tab group has been created. You can also open the extension settings to change the keyboard shortcut, auto-saving, or visual styles for your tab groups. And that's how you can enable tab groups in Firefox. Smash that like, subscribe, and comment. And also don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye!